Imagine uploading a digital product once and getting paid again and again. That's exactly why thousands of people are selling ebooks, templates, AI prompts, and a lot of other things. And in this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process of selling digital products using Gumroad. From creating your account and uploading your product to promoting them to become visible. So if you're serious about making money online, make sure to watch this video till the end because I've added some super useful tips that can save you a lot of trial and error and time. Let's get started. Now let's start from scratch and create an account or log in to Gumroad. Just go to Gumroad, sign up using your email, and set up your profile. Or if you already have one, then you can simply log in. Like I've already created one, so I'll simply log into it. And after logging in, your dashboard would look like this. You will see a lot of options and features to help you manage your products and track everything. Now that we've created our account, let's move forward to step number 2. That is adding a product. For this, first go to Product section. Then from here, click on New Product and choose the type of product you want to sell. Gumroad gives you different options like digital products, memberships, courses, and more. For this tutorial, we'll select an ebook for demo, since that's the easiest and most popular way to start selling online. I've created an all-in-one guide for POD, so I'll just enter the name here. And then if we scroll down, we can select different types of service, and at the bottom, we can fix the price. I will, for example, set its price to $4. And scroll back up and click on Next. And here begins our step number 3. That is writing a good description. After you click Next, you'll see this page. Here you have to add all the details about the product, and first is the description. I use description template, which you can use for any product after adjusting it accordingly. You can download the template link given below in the description. If you are not using a template, just make sure to add every detail about your product so that customers know what are they buying. Now, next step is to add product details. In this step, first comes the cover of your product and make sure the size is correct when make one. Otherwise, Gumroad will reject your cover. And it's really important because it's the first thing your customer will see when they open your product. So try to make it informative and appealing. Like here, I've uploaded a cover will give an idea of what my ebook would have. Now after that, we have to upload thumbnail of your product, and this is different from the cover, but it can be square version of your cover. Just make sure it is square, and size should be at least 600 by 600. Select your call to action. It is the button your customers will have to click to buy your product. Then write summary of the product that will give idea of what your product has in short. And if you noticed, you can see how your product page will look like to your customers in the review section here. And after that, some additional details like for ebooks, you have to specify number of pages. Now set the price, which will, same as we set earlier. But now you get more options, which you can enable, like allow customers to pay what they want, but not below a specific amount. And then add variations of your product, if any, otherwise you don't have to. Then lastly, some other settings like limit product sales to create urgency and more, which you can enable if you like. And then scroll up and click on Save and Continue. Here starts out step number 5, that is uploading your product. For that, just click on Upload Files and pick your product file from your computer. Like here, I've picked the file and it started uploading. Now, after the file is uploaded, just click on Publish and Continue and you're done. You've just published your product, but don't forget to add payments details before you publish. And your product will look something like this. It's a product that I made and uploaded with complete details. But if you don't know how to create such products or don't know where to find assets to make your product stand out, then this is where Creative Fabrica comes in. Here you will find tons of ideas, templates for your product, and even pre-made products, which you can download, tweak a bit, and sell as your own. And that also for free with their plan, and you get unlimited downloads of assets, fonts, and more, which makes it even better. So do check it out. I'll give the link in the description. Now let's move forward to the next step, that is promoting your product. And for this, we are going to use Pinterest. One of the best free ways to promote your digital products is Pinterest. Because Pinterest works more like a search engine than social media, which means your pins can keep bringing traffic for months or even years. People go there specifically looking for ideas, templates, planners, ebooks, and products to buy. So if you create attractive pins and link them to your Gumroad product, you can get consistent traffic and potential sales without spending money on ads. And as you can see, so many people are promoting their ebooks, templates, bundles, and more products here. So you know it's the right place. And for complete tutorial on how to create and upload pins on Pinterest for maximum reach, then you can watch my video. It's the only video you need for promoting your product on Pinterest, so I'll highly recommend you to check it out. I'll give the link in the description. Now it's time for some useful tips that save you a lot of time, as these are some of the most common mistakes beginners make. So let's check them out. Tip number 1 is use relevant keywords people are actually searching for. Instead of random titles, use searchable words like printable coloring pages, kawaii stickers, or digital planner stickers so your products can appear in search results. Tip number 2, make a proper cover image first. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see, so a clean and attractive cover image makes your product look more professional and increases clicks. Tip number 3, promote your products on Pinterest and social media. Don't just upload and wait. Share your products on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts to bring more traffic to your Gumroad page. And finally, tip number 4, add more products consistently. One product is good, but multiple products give people more reasons to buy from your shop and help you grow faster over time. So that was the complete step-by-step process of selling digital products on Gumroad. Let me know what type of digital product you want to sell first in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, so that you don't miss any upcoming useful videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative and stay awesome.